So this has puzzled me in the past when I was measuring an output of a power adapter sometime in the past, and I discovered that it had a gap in it. So what we're looking at here is, you see right at the top it says it's 16.9 volts DC direct current. We've got 5 volts per division, with 0 being down here, and then 1, 2, 3, 15, and a little bit more, so 17 over there. And we are right now sampling at 50 milliseconds per division. And if I change it to anything less than that, 20 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, and so forth, it will be smooth like that. But if I go to 100 milliseconds, all of a sudden there's a gap that shows up. And I go 200 milliseconds and it moves slower, but the gap is there. Half a second moves even slower and the gap is there. 1 second, same story. I think you get the idea. So it's either because the power supply, I don't understand something about power supplies, but it also be possible due to the capabilities of the oscilloscope itself.